Hello guys and welcome back. So in this video I will be showing you that how to go live on TikTok without 1000 followers. First of all you have to open up your profile on TikTok, and then you have to click on these three lines on the top right. Then you have to go into the settings and privacy, and then down here you will see this option, report a problem. You will click on this, and let's just open this. Then down here you will see this option, live. You will click on this, and then you will click on this, hosting live, and live, and you can say live is suspended. You can click on this one. Okay, and after this you will, here it says, is your problem solved? You will click on no, and then you will click on this, need more help, and then you have to send a message to the TikTok team, just like this: hi, my fans would like me to go live so I can interact with them more regularly. So you can type something like this, or whatever you have in mind, and then you will click on this submit option. So what this will do, this will send a message to the team, and they will review your profile, and hopefully you will get an option to go live. So guys, if you like this video, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.